from a land, from a faraway place, where the caravan camels roam, where they cut off your ear if they don't like your face. It's barbaric, but hey, it's home. When the wind's from the east and the sun's from the west, and the sand and the glass is right, come on down, stop on by, hop a carpet and fly to another Arabian night. Arabian night, like Arabian days, more often than not, or hotter than hot, in a lot of good ways.
Do you love me? Do you need me? Do you want me? Do you love me?
I'm on a move.
Thank you so much. Now the number